Hello friends, welcome to Bachao Edutech. I am Bachao sir, your maths teacher. But look, we have started to learn maths 2. We have started our first chapter, similarity. And in this chapter, we have learnt the ratio of areas of two triangles. The property name ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of products of what? Corresponding base and height. In short, A1 upon A2 ratio of areas of two triangles. A1 upon A2 equal to ratio of what? Base into height of first, base into height of second. This is our property. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of corresponding base and heights. But if bases are same, then A1 upon A2 equal to only H1 upon H2. Why? If bases are same, B1 equal to B2. And third, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 if their heights are same. If H1 equal to H2. And fourth property, A1 upon A2 equal to 1, or you may say A1 equal to A2 if bases are same and heights are same. So we have learnt these properties, ratio of areas of two triangles. If nothing is common, neither base nor height, then ratio of area is equal to product of base height both. Ratio of area equal to ratio of heights if bases same. Ratio of area equal to ratio of bases if heights same. And A1 upon A2 equal to 1, or you may say areas are same if their bases as well as heights are same. तो चलो start करते हैं practice set 1.1. Our first sum from practice set 1.1 is this. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. But if you have seen carefully, here neither bases nor heights are equal. So we have to use the property A1 upon A2 ratio of areas is equal to ratio of product of corresponding base height. So our formula will become A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Why? We have to take both base height because neither base nor height is same. Okay, start. But question is find the ratio of areas. Means we are finding A1 upon A2, value of A1 upon A2. Put the values base height. Base of first, height of first. But base of a triangle is 9. First triangle base is 9, height is 5. Base is 9, height is 5. 9 into 5. But second triangle. Second triangle's base is 10 and height is 6. Base is 10, height is 6. Simplify. You will get the answer. Okay, simplify. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. Then 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Now A1 upon A2 equal to 3 upon 2 twos are 4. This is answer of our first question. What was the question? Ratio of areas of these triangles. Find the ratio. Ratio of areas is 3 by 4. चलो चलते next sum की ओर. Our second sum is in the figure. BC perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB. AD perpendicular to AB. AD is perpendicular to AB. BC for AD 8. BC is 4, AD is 8. Find the ratio of area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADB. But first see where is triangle ABC. But ABC is your upper triangle. Its base is AB and height is BC. Now lower triangle ADB. बच्चों लोग triangle ADB's base is also AB and height is what? AD. बच्चों लोग both the triangles ABC and ADB both are having common base AB. So ratio of areas will be ratio of only heights. Solution: area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADB equal to ratio of areas, ratio of bases. ABC's height is BC because base is common, and ADB's height is AD because both have common base AB. Give support because ये उल्टे 3 डॉट्स का मतलब होता है because triangles of common base, one में से same base. Okay. तो बच्चों लोग एरिया ट्राइंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ट्राइंगल ADB equal to BC upon AD. We have taken only heights. Why? Because their base is common. Now put the values. Area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADB. This quantity will be as it is because they have asked this value. Okay. Then, BC is given 4, AD is given 8. Okay. Area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADB equal to, simplify, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. This is our answer. तो बच्चों लोग सेकंड क्वेश्चन भी बहुत ही सिंपल था. चलो लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स थर्ड. बच्चों लोग our third sum is, in the adjoining figure sec PS perpendicular to sec RQ. PS is perpendicular to sec RQ. Okay. Sec QT is perpendicular to sec PR. RQ6, PS6, PR12, find QT. Okay. But first I am putting these values in figure. But RQ is 6. RQ is 6. RQ 6 है. PS is 6. PS 6 है. PR 12 है. PR is 12. PR 12. And find QT. But look, these all values are related to only one triangle, that is triangle PQR. But look, for triangle PQR, these all values, the given and the required one, all are related to only single triangle, triangle PQR. How? Let us see. But look, initially QR is 6. QR or RQ, one and the same thing. RQ6 and PS6, they are what? They are base of triangle PQR and height of triangle PQR. But look, these two things, RQ and PS are what? Base and height of triangle PQR. Again, next, PR and QT. PR and QT, but look, PR and QT are again base of same triangle PQR. If PR is base, corresponding height is QT. Means this is base and this is corresponding height of triangle PQR. This is base and this is again corresponding height of triangle PQR only. Here there are no two triangles to take their ratio of areas. So I am solving by simple technique. But look, I am writing area of triangle PQR 2 times. Okay. First, area of triangle, general formula. Area of triangle, below, what is the general formula? 1/2 base into height. Now, area triangle PQR. Area triangle PQR equal to 1 half into, बच्चों लोग base is QR, PQR's base is QR, height is perpendicular from opposite vertex. So area triangle PQR equal to 1 half, base is RQ and height is PS, perpendicular from opposite vertex, remaining vertex. This is our equation number 1. I am rewriting again area triangle PQR. Area triangle PQR. But look, now this time area triangle PQR, I am taking PR as base, PR, and corresponding height will be QT. So बच्चों लोग area triangle PQR equal to 1 half into, now base is PR and corresponding height is QT. This is our equation number 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Now बच्चों लोग observe carefully. From 1 and 2 I have written. बच्चों लोग their LHS are same. बच्चों लोग if their LHS are same means their RHS are also same. If LHS same, RHS same. Therefore 1 half into RQ into PS equal to 1 half into PR into QT. Now simplify बच्चों लोग. We can remove 1 half present in both sides. So RQ into PS equal to PR into QT. Now put the values. बच्चों लोग RQ is your 6, PS is also 6 equal to PR is given 12 into we are finding QT. QT we are finding. So solve for QT. QT equal to 6 into 6 upon, shift that 12 here. Simplify. 6 ones, 6 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes. So we get QT equal to 3. This is our answer. No unit because they haven't used any unit. Yet you want to write unit, then write simply units. Okay, बच्चों लोग, this is our third question. Let us move to fourth. बच्चों लोग, our fourth sum is this. In the adjoining figure, AP perpendicular BC. AP is perpendicular to BC. Okay. And AD parallel BC. AD is parallel to BC. बच्चों लोग, to find area triangle ABC upon area triangle BCD. बच्चों लोग, solution. First, find where are the triangles. Triangle ABC. बच्चों लोग, triangle ABC, I am considering BC as base. Triangle BCD, again you will find BC is its base. तो बच्चों लोग ABC's base we can take BC, BCD's even we can take base BC. Both the triangles have same base BC. बच्चों लोग, base of triangles ABC and triangle BCD is same, that is BC. They have common base. BC. But look, again they have provided AD parallel BC. AD parallel to BC by given. But look, if AD and BC are parallel, means AD BC parallel, the distance between two parallel lines is same. You have seen the railway tracks. If they are parallel, everywhere you will find distance between them is constant. So here AD and BC are parallel. Therefore, distance between parallel lines is always same. Means AP and also height of triangle BCD, which will appear from D, both are same. If lines are parallel, distance between parallel lines is same. Distance between parallel lines is same. Therefore, heights of triangle ABC and triangle BCD are same. Now बच्चे लोग, what we got? 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same base and equal heights. Same base and equal heights. Therefore, ratio of such triangles, area triangle ABC upon area triangle BCD, ratio of area of such triangles whose bases same, height same, its ratio is what? 1. You may say 1 upon 1. You may say area same. तो बच्चे लोग, यहाँ दोनों ट्राइंगल का बेस कॉमन था and they are situated between two parallel lines, means their heights are same. तो ये ट्राइंगल बन गए same base और same heights, that is equal heights. तो ratio of area is what? 1. चलो, let us move towards last sum, fifth sum. बच्चे लोग, our fifth sum, this is figure. In the adjoining figure, PQ parallel BC. PQ is PQ perpendicular BC. PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. PQ and AD both are perpendicular to BC. Okay. But find the following ratios. First one is this. Solution. First ratio. Area triangle PQB upon area triangle PBC. Find where are they, which are they. Area triangle PQB PBC. बच्चों लोग, PQB is this one, small one. PQB. बच्चों लोग, its base is BQ, height is PQ. First triangle PQB. Have you noticed its base and height? Base is BQ, height is PQ. Its second triangle is PBC. बच्चों लोग, PBC. Again, base is BC and height is PQ. Have you noticed both the triangles have same heights? PQB, height is PQ. PBC, height is BC. Both triangles. Chalo, PBC's height is PQ. Both the triangles have same height, which is PQ. So, if heights are same, then ratio of areas is ratio of their bases. PQB's base is PQ and PBC's base is BC because triangles of same heights. You may say equal heights. This is first. Now let's look second. Second one is area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. First, let us find them. Where are they? Which are they? Bachcho log, first triangle is PBC. Have you got PBC? Which is base? Base is BC, height is PQ. Bachcho log, base is what? BC, height is PQ. First one is PBC. Base is BC, height is PQ. Second one is ABC. बच्चों लोग, ABC's base is BC. Height is AD. What we noticed, बच्चों लोग, their base is same. If base is same, ratio of area is ratio of only heights that is PQ upon AD, because their bases are same. But look here, support will be triangles of same common base, same base, triangles of common base, or you may say same base. Third ratio, area triangle ABC, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADC, area triangle ADC, ABC ADC. but चलो ABC ADC, I am writing here there base and height, okay, ABC. but चलो for ABC, base is BC, height is AD, base BC, height AD for ABC. For ADC, but चलो for ADC, base is DC, height is AD, base is DC, height is AD. What we found, heights are same. So omit heights, only write bases BC upon DC and give support. What is the support for it? Because triangles of, you may say, equal, same, equal heights or same heights. And last one, bachalo, fourth, area triangle ADC, area triangle ADC upon area triangle PQC, ADC PQC. Okay, chalo, let us find base and heights of both of them, corresponding base and corresponding height. ADC, but chalo, ADC, for ADC, bolo, base is DC, height is AD, base DC, height AD. For PQC, PQC, but chalo, for PQC, base is QC, PQC, PQC, base is QC, height is PQ. Observe properly. Neither base nor heights are same. If base and heights are not same, we have to write both of them. Ratio of area is equal to ratio of products of what? Corresponding base and corresponding height. DC into AD, QC into PQ. तो बच्चे लोग ये था अपना last question. Here our first practice set 1.1 ends. तो बच्चे लोग इसके बाद में आता है एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2, लेकिन हमें बीच की थ्योरी प्रिपेयर करनी पड़ेगी. इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरी आती है. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम आता है, उसका कॉन्वर्स आता है, एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी आती है, इंटरसेप्ट्स मेड बाय थ्री पैरेलल लाइंस आता है. तो बहुत ढेर सारा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इसके अंदर है. तो पहले चलो प्रिपेयर करते थ्योरी. तो फर्स्ट थ्योरम है जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम है अपना, उसका नाम है बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. तो चलो लेट अस स्टडी बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. बच्चों लोग बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम, afterwards we will say it as only BPT. चलो बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम whole year we will say it as only BPT, basic proportionality theorem. But look, see the statement. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle, if a line is parallel to a side of triangle, intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in same proportion, that is ratio also. But what is the condition? What is the statement says? What? If a line parallel to a side of triangle. बच्चे लोग, suppose this is triangle. If a line parallel to side of triangle, you can select any side. बच्चे लोग, you can select AB, then line is parallel. BC, you may select like this. AC, it's your choice to use which side. Okay, you may use any side for this. Second thing, what are the conditions? If a line is parallel, if a line is parallel, Suppose we have selected this side and we are drawing now parallel line. If a line is parallel to side of a triangle, if we are thinking of this side, intersect remaining sides means we can't use parallel line like this. It is parallel to BC, but it is not intersecting to other two sides, AB and AC. We can't use line like this. It is parallel, but it is intersecting in only single point. So we will need line like this, parallel and intersecting other sides in two distinct points. तो बच्चों लोग कंसेप्ट अपनी क्लियर कर लो. Conditions given by them are what? The line is parallel. Again, it is intersecting other two sides in two distinct points. Means अलग-अलग points. बच्चों लोग चलो फिगर ड्रॉ करते हैं. This is my triangle ABC. Now I am drawing a line L parallel to BC and intersecting other two sides in two distinct points. Now bachcho look, see, this is my line L parallel to side BC, intersecting side AB at P, side AC at Q. This is there given. Then you note. But look, the statement between if and then is our given, and the statement which comes after then, it is our to prove. तो क्या प्रूव करना है हमें? Then the line, which the parallel line, divides the sides. Which sides? That sides the parallel line has intersected. तो बच्चों लोग, it divides, parallel line divides the sides in same proportion. In 9th you have studied the meaning of proportion and ratio. Proportion and ratio nothing but same meaning. So बच्चों लोग, then it divides the sides in same proportion. Then linear divides these two sides. Now due to this line, the sides are now having segments AP, PB, AQ, QC. They are divided into segments. Then ratio of segments of one side, that is AP upon PB, equal to ratio of segments of other side, AQ upon QC. Then the line divides the sides in same proportion means what? Ratio of segments of one side equal to ratio of segments of other sides. तो चलो बच्चों लोग फर्स्ट राइट करते हैं given and to prove. Given in triangle ABC, line L parallel side BC. Line L intersects side AB and AC in points P and Q respectively. And to prove, the parallel line divides the sides in same proportion, means proportion of these two segments equal to proportion, that is ratio of these two segments. Means we have to prove AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. चलो बच्चों लोग, this we are going to prove. Before proof, बच्चों लोग, we will need a small construction. Construction is draw sec BQ and sec PC. This is our construction. Draw sec BQ and PC. Okay, construction. Construction, draw sec BQ and PC. Now prove. बच्चों लोग whole year I will use a statement geometry speaks. Geometry बोलती है. Geometry speaks. Only we should understand its meanings. तो बच्चों लोग यहाँ भी ज्योमेट्री हमसे बात कर रही है. ज्योमेट्री यहाँ सजेस्ट कर रही है भाई फर्स्ट रेशियो बनाओ AP अपॉन PB, सेकेंड रेशियो बनाओ और उनको रिलेट करने की कोशिश करो. तो बच्चों लोग फॉर फर्स्ट रेशियो AP अपॉन PB I am considering the triangles which will give us AP and PB. For AP I will consider the small upper triangle APQ. It will give us AP. And PB, for PB we will consider this triangle, which one? This triangle BPQ. BPQ will give us PB and for APQ will give us AP. Now bachcho log think properly. Okay, for this first ratio I am considering these two triangles APQ, BPQ. Bachcho log, suppose we are taking AP as base for triangle APQ. If your base is AP, height will be perpendicular from Q. And for triangle BPQ, if base is PB, height will be again perpendicular from remaining vertex, that is Q. बच्चों लोग concentrate properly. For first triangle APQ, if your base is AP, height will be perpendicular from Q. For triangle BPQ, if your height is BP, if your base is BP, your height will be again perpendicular from Q. For both the triangles, heights are same. So, बच्चों लोग ratio of these triangles, area triangle APQ upon area triangle BPQ, ratio of areas of these two triangles. If we are taking AP and BP as basis, height will be perpendicular from remaining vertex and it is same for both the triangles. So ratio of area, ratio of bases, that is AP upon PB. This is our equation 1. Reason is areas proportionate to bases, or you may say triangles of equal heights. You may say because triangles of equal heights. One may say areas proportionate with bases. Okay, but now we have got our first ratio. Now think for second ratio. Second is AQ upon QC. But for AQ and QC, I am using the same upper triangle APQ, because upper will give us AQ. And for QC, consider this triangle. Which one? CPQ. Consider this one. But for AQ, upper. For QC, triangle, you may say CPQ, PQC. You can read name of triangle by 6 different ways. Okay. But for AQ, triangle APQ, and for QC, triangle CPQ. Again, if you are taking AQ and QC as basis, height will come from remaining vertex, perpendicular from remaining vertex, means same story. If you take AQ, QC basis, height will be what? Same. So बच्चों लोग, second equation is area triangle APQ upon area triangle CPQ equal to AQ upon QC. Equation number 2. Reason is areas proportionate with bases, or you may say areas of equal heights. Now बच्चे लोग think we have to show these two ratios equal. We are proving these two ratios equal. बच्चे लोग when these two ratios will be equal, when RHS will be equal, if you get LHS equal. We are proving this. We are proving these two sides equal. When these two sides will be equal, when RHS will be equal, if their LHS are equal. So, बच्चे लोग, we are proving that this next step is, next try is what? To prove these two ratios equal. For proving these two ratios equal, बच्चे लोग, their numerator is same. Numerator is same already. Now, if you prove their denominator same, means if you prove area triangle BPQ equal to area triangle CPQ, then we can say these two ratios are equal. Why? Because their numerators are same. Numerator is one and the same. And if we prove this statement, area triangle BPQ equal to area triangle CPQ, then these two ratios are what? Equal. So, बच्चे लोग see, these two areas are equal. Why? BPQ, CPQ's area is equal because BPQ and CPQ have common base PQ. Then line L is parallel to BC. Means what? Distance between any two parallel lines is same. Therefore, heights of these two triangles are also same because heights are lying between two parallel lines. So, बच्चे लोग, first what we have done, first we got this ratio, we prepared this ratio AP upon PB, AP upon PB. For that we have considered these two triangles. Then AQ upon QC, AQ QC, APQ, CPQ. Then what we are thinking, if we want to prove RHS equal, then we should prove LHS equal. For proving LHS equal, what is the hurdle? Numerators are already same, only denominators are different. So I am proving denominators are also equal. So I have written area triangle BPQ equal to area triangle CPQ because triangle BPQ and triangle CPQ have common base PQ. Also line L parallel side BC, means these are the triangles. These triangles have equal heights. These are the triangles of equal heights. Therefore area is same. Equation 3. And but look, if area is same, then these ratios are same because their numerators are already same. Numerators are already same. Area triangle APQ, CPQ. This is suppose our equation number 4. So बच्चे लोग, why these ratios are same? Because from equation 3 they are same because their numerators are already same, equal, and denominators are same. We saying equation 3 is same. That's why these ratios are same. And if LHS are same, then RHS are same. From some part of what we are going to prove, it's some part is in equation 1, from 1, some part is in equation 2, and who will help? Equation 4 will help us from 1, 2 and 4. But chalo, if these two ratios means LHS are same, LHS of equation 1 and 2 are same in 4, Therefore, from 1 to and 4, if LHS same, we can write RHS same. Therefore, AP upon PP equal to AQ upon QC. Why? From 1, 2 and 4. 4 says these two ratios same. These two ratios means LHS of 1 and 2. If LHS same means RHS are also same. तो बच्चों लोग ये था BPT basic proportionality theorem, one of the most important theorems in this chapter. After this theorem, again there is theory. We have to learn converse of basic proportionality theorem, angle bisector theorem, intercepts made by 3 parallel lines, and then our practice set 1.2 will come. तो चलो बच्चों लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलते हैं.